The tunnel propulsion work is to build tunnels and shafts required for tunnel construction. In this video, we will introduce points to note when working inside tunnels. When you hear the word tunnel, what comes to mind? Tunnels are widely used as facilities for railways, roads, waterways, and other types of infrastructure, and vary in size. There are various types of tunnel construction methods, including mountain and shield construction. Vertical shafts are built as a part connecting the tunnel base under construction and the ground. After construction is complete, vertical shafts are used for various purposes such as basements and ventilation towers. Dust is generated in various situations, such as during drilling work when drilling through rock or concrete, and in pits after blasting work. One measure to deal with dust is to perform ventilation using a dust collector. In order to prevent divergence, water spray and restricting running speed of vehicles are applied. A dust mask must be worn when working in the dust atmosphere. In particular, it is used for underground excavation works such as excavations by using power, works at places where loading and unloading are carried out, and works where concrete is sprayed. In a tunnel construction site, caution is required for oxygen deficient and generation of toxic gas. Oxygen, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide are colorless and odorless. Trying to help your coworkers without the use of protective gear may cause secondary damage. Flammable gas may explode depending on its concentration. In pits, ventilation is performed to discharge polluted air, such as generated harmful gases, and to pump in fresh air. Air respirators may be used, depending on the situation. An aerial respiration device is a respiratory protective equipment that compresses air in the atmosphere and fills in an air tank. Let's learn how to use an aerial respiration device in case of evacuation or rescue. When using handheld vibration tools, safety measures for vibration and noise are required. Works using vibration tools include crushing rock or concrete, or excavating the ground manually with vibration tools. Work hours with a vibration tool is generally 2 hours a day. Always wear proper protective equipment when engaging in work involving vibrations and noise. To reduce the risk of noise exposure, use soundproofing equipment such as earmuffs and earplugs. Use anti-vibration gloves to reduce the risk of vibration exposure. Earmuffs and gloves are consumables and should be replaced regularly. The front edge of the excavation site in tunnel construction is called the face. At the face, during the construction of a mountain tunnel, the rock mass is exposed, which poses a risk of falling rocks called spalling. Take action to evacuate from the tunnel heading face immediately if there is a risk of being damaged by the fall of rocks. The workers at the tunnel heading face wear protective caps, protective equipment, back protector, etc., safety shoes, boots, and the respiratory protective equipment with an electric fan if necessary. Work inside tunnels is that which is performed in deep, closed spaces underground in the mountains, under the seafloor, and in urban areas. For this reason, safety considerations are extremely important because evacuation sites and exits from pits are usually located far away and a rescue can take time in the event of an accident. It is important to know the evacuation method, the evacuation areas, use of evacuation tools, and the fire extinguishing method in the preparation for rock falling, flood, gas explosion, and fire.